writing in the newspaper. Proper ink put to paper, and my girl. And you know she already. Yes, missus. Now the artist with the whole bag glitter. I thought about she now wear tablecloth like Miss Lou. He said, Miss Lou, don't be come back, come deal with a case. Yes, man. We feel appreciate we icon and respect we culture. Then no must. But since she not afraid to talk, me a wait to hear if she a go put pen to paper and DJ want response. Story come to bump, but this your bump is a bad bump.
So, after showing it, so when you come, I'll show it. But it's a historic win. Alright, so I can't show you now. So they didn't say so. When she hear her, what she say so?
She couldn't even watch. Couldn't watch herself.
A historic win in the 54th year of the Miss Jamaica Festival Queen competition on Emancipation Day. Denalyn Swaby became the first, which means she's the only contestant from St. Elizabeth to win the crown.
Thank you.
Morning.
Good morning, Mr. Bill.
So your name, your worship, where your name now? Like,
no, Miss Jamaica Festival Queen.
Okay, so
Queen, she's queen.
You're a queen.
Yes, sir.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Sir Kingdom and Queen.
Sir Kingdom. I was working with a former Festival Queen winner, and I asked her at what stage in the competition did she think that she won. And she said she had a couple of the festival at the, what do you call it, the prize them where you win, sectional.
Yes.
And she said after she won a couple, then she thought she had it.
Yes.
When did you think?
I would say the same. After those 3 sectional prizes, I'm like, okay, you're well on your way.
Most poised,
yeah.
most culturally aware, and best performance. You expected those?
Most
You were
boys,
hoping for-
no.
Okay.
Most culturally aware and best performer, not surprising. But as on the night, so many things are going through, and I was contestant number 13. So you're seeing all the performances. So you're summing up in your head who you think is rivaling you or is the closest rival, and it was just hoping for the best. So the last two, yes, most boys. Funny
Most
thing.
boys means what? Oh, you wear the gown? Is that
No,
the
she's
great
got
name?
it. Look at her. She's got it together.
Your overall presentation and your appearance and how you, so not just the gown, I think they factor that in from pre-judging as well. So, but I was just not expecting that. Funny thing, when they were saying, and now the sectional prize for most boys, I'm like, no, I not get that, but then.
Grace under pressure. See, you know,
Grace
how you
under
hold it
pressure.
together,
Yes.
under pressure. How has this changed? I mean, it's only just happened, but what does this mean for you in your as a life goal, having achieved this?
It means a lot because I always spoke about motivating and inspiring people and leaving a positive impact. And the fact that I am now the first person from St. Elizabeth, first queen from St. Elizabeth to hold a national title or give my parish a national title, that's phenomenal. So many people I've impacted. I'm just walking through the Independence Village and everybody's like, my mother is from St. Elizabeth. People in my community, everybody is just pleased. And the most important thing, I've inspired people just by their messages that they want to enter the competition next year.
Excellent.
And that's something, of course, being the very definition of a cultural ambassador, bringing people closer to you know, culture and to the JCDC Festival Queen competition.
Why did you enter in the first place?
Because St. Elizabeth never had a winner. And I was intrigued. I remember last year when the ladies came on Smart Jamaica, Mr. Nicholson was speaking about being a cultural ambassador. And I always wanted to find a way to demonstrate my pride or say get closer, because, you know, they always say young people we're slightly far removed or apathetic as it relates to culture. And I wanted to immerse myself in an experience that would bring me closer, help me to know more and understand. And of course, St. Elizabeth never had come up.
Yeah.
That was one thing as well.
So this was always culture has always been a passion of yours. I know advocacy, because I know Empress is somebody
Yes.
that you worked with. I know you look up to her. You are a part of the Talk Up Youth also?
Yes, I'm a part of
So you're
the
into
Talk Up
youth
Youth.
advocacy. Was culture always a big deal for you?
I wouldn't say it was very big, but I just felt the need that I just needed to do something. And I currently live in Kingston, and I always wanted a way to connect with my parish and, you know, show that I am still, you know, it's not like, oh, you go to town, you don't remember. So that was one of the reasons as well. Just wanted to connect and give a valuable contribution. And I knew that if this happened, it would be leaving a legacy or the starting point of a legacy.
Just to add on to Sim's question, so you knew about your parish, or you learned that after you entered? You know everything about the parish? Or?
I don't know everything about St. Elizabeth, but there are some things that I knew before, and then of course during this competition you learn some things like you say, because everybody knew like about Black River being the first place to receive electricity, to receive a motor car. Those things I knew, the first telephone. But of course, when I recognized how significant that we featured in West Indian history, being a very important slave port that they used to auction slaves, the Farkas of Wharf in Black River. So things like that. When you're doing your research, like, really? There's more to St. Elizabeth than,
Great name, Farkas and Wharf?
Farkas and Wharf.
I first knew about that.
Oh.
Yes.
So what happens now with your queenship? You've got your crown on your head, you've got the title. What's going to happen now in terms of next steps? I know you have a full-time job, right?
Yes.
So you're a communication coordinator.
Yes, I am.
What happens now?
Well, I now move on into really immersing myself in becoming the country's cultural ambassador. And I know that as one of the top priorities on the agenda is to implement the national project, which I had started to conceptualize, the community entrepreneurship project, Learn, Earn, Return. And it's the importance of that is to focus on identifying entrepreneurship opportunities for youth, especially being from a rural area. You recognize that some youth or unattached youth mostly, they don't have formal training, they're not in school, they're not working, and you want to find something that bridges that gap. And you look around, that's a global trend right now, becoming an entrepreneur, earning
Which is
for
what
yourself,
you want to do in 5 years.
Of course.
Yeah, you see yourself there.
Because the reality is you look at yourself and say, okay, the way how things are going, I have it easy now because I don't have that sort of obligation in terms of family and children. But you realize, okay, one income stream might not be the way to go for the future, especially now, and then pair that with having other responsibilities. And for people who already have a hard time finding a job, it's about looking in your environment and seeing what are the practical things that I can turn into a sustainable economic venture.
So you will do that in St. Elizabeth or across the
Well, seeing it's a national project, it will transcend. So not just St. Elizabeth, I would like that to be the starting point, as that's what inspired me to conceptualize that. So it will start there.
Will
and then
you continue your
out.
advocacy with Talk Up Youth? You're going to still be involved with Nudity of Jamaica. How are you going to spread your time across the other projects?
Well, I think it's about balance and seeing where I can, throw my weight around. But Talk Up Youth is something definitely that has changed me, and it represents what can come about when you decide to take the first step and do something. More compatible. You want to impact youth and give people an idea and just share your perspective. And sometimes that has helped me throughout my life. Always keeping me on my toes, keeping me informed.
Congrats again.
Thank you.
Great to meet you.
Thank you.
Empressita supposed to be
here.
happy. The
Yeah,
great
man.
Empressita
Yeah,
supposed to
man.
be happy.
Yes.
All right, so in a minute we'll put Dana's language skills to the test. But first we highlight another cultural icon, Miss Lou.
The ground is hard. We chose this poem because it is very relevant to the times now, though these verses were written many years ago. But Dirty Tough means not just that the ground is hard, but the times are hard. So it's rain or fall, but dirty tough. The rain is falling, but the ground is hard. And dirty is not just a corruption of the word dirty. It's a real African word, D-O-T, dirty, which means the ground, dirty tough. Sun a shine, but things not bright. Do a pot a boil, bickle not enough. River flood, and rain a fall. Rain a fall, but dirty tough. Nowadays the times so hard, when you ask Maddie how them do, them afraid you take it, tell them back so them not answer you.
All right, Lady Cooper, it says.
What? So we've cleared the set because we're about to perform a few folk songs in standard English, apparently. So we've got the songs and we've got to translate them. So Sir Kingdom is up first.
So Sir Kingdom gets Linstead Market.
Okay.
Well, it said carry me Aki, go Linstead Market, not a quarter word sell. But
Are you going to give Sir Kingdom a track?
No, we don't want a
Sir
track.
Lady Shona?
No.
Oh.
Carry my Aki to the Linstead Market, not a quarty worth sell.
That's not standard English. You have to translate it. So it's, I carried my. Okay, come again. To translate it.
I carried.
Standard
Supposed
English.
to sing it.
I
And
carried
sing
my
it.
ackee to the Linstead market, not a quarty worth sell.
I'm sorry. But there's not a quarter word so I mean in English.
What is quarty in English?
Quarter.
It's quarty.
I
I
didn't
just
say
said it.
quarter.
Not a quarty worth sell. I carry my ackee go a Linstead market, not a quarty worth sell.
You're not translating.
Oh Lord, what nights, not a bites. What a wonderful Saturday night. Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a wonderful Saturday night. Everybody please come to feel up, not a quarty words.
What the moment it bring?
Wow, okay. How do you feel up in proper English, by the way?
Felt.
Felt up? Everybody please come and felt.
Everybody came and tested and touched.
All right. Oh, Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a wonderful Saturday night. Oh, Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night.
Yay!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
That was terrible.
And now, Miss Jamaica Festival Queen 2017.
Oh.
Dana Lynn from St. Elizabeth.
Wait, no, fix our microphone.
Okay. So my song, Long Time Girl. Long Time Girl. Started off, okay. It's a long time, girl, I haven't seen you. Come, let me hold your hand. It's a long time, girl, I haven't seen you. Come, let me hold your hand. Bald-headed vulture sat up on the treetop, picked out the blossom.
Bald head.
Yes. Let me hold your hand, girl. Let me hold your hand. It's a long time, girl, I haven't seen you. Come, let us walk and talk. It's a long time, girl, I haven't seen you. Come, let us walk and talk. Bald-headed vulture sat up on the treetop, picked out the blossom. Let us walk and talk, girl. Let us walk and talk. It's a long time, girl, I haven't seen you. Come, let us wheel and jig. It's a long time, girl, I haven't seen you. Come, let us wheel and jig. Bald-headed vulture sat up on the treetop, picked out the blossom.
Well, me feel me win, yeah. It's all right.
All right, pull up.
Pull up. All right, that was Mrs. Jamaica Festival Queen 2017. Now, here is the most wonderful and beautiful former athlete, former outstanding athlete who had to move from that and become an entertainer. Here she is.
Hello, everyone. My song is Sammy Has Passed.
No, this song named Sammy Dead.
Sammy planted a piece of corn in the refuse area.
In the refuse
And it
area.
wore until poor Sammy had heart failure. Sammy has passed. He has passed. Sammy has passed. Oh, Sammy has passed. Sammy has passed. Sammy has passed. Oh. Sammy was not a mendicant, but they killed him.
Mendicant?
He was not a mendicant, but they killed
That
him.
means beggar here, people, in case you don't know.
Neither was he bad of mind, but they
Bad
killed
of
him.
mind?
Neither was he bad of mind, but they killed him. Sammy planted a piece of corn in the refuse area, and it bore until Sammy had heart failure. Sammy is died. He has passed. Sammy is dead. Thank you.
Wonderful,
Thank
wonderful,
you.
wonderful, wonderful.
All right.
All right, so the votes are in, folks.
No, nobody may vote.
And
If you want to.
Sir Kingdom win.
No, if anything, it would be Simone and Mimi.
It's
Oh,
never
yeah.
man.
Yeah.
Wanna
No.
bring my prize come to me
No,
here?
no.
There's a
no,
press?
no.
Yes.
Okay.
You don't
From
see-
the Lady Cooper window. Good job,
Who says so?
Bowden.
Thank you.
job.
Likewise.
Come out of
I'm not sure about you.
Come out of
I'm
the
not
studio
sure
and go
about
back to
that.
St. Elizabeth.
Never bread or no root or no root. Oh.
Good to see you. Come in, come join us, now, man. Yeah, man. All right.
You should make us go to the break, even though
Yeah,
it's
all
about
right.
her.
So you have to read that. You have to read that.
Okay.
Miss Jamaica
You
Festival
say it, read it.
No, you have to step
Read about
aside.
myself?
Yes.
Okay. Miss Jamaica Festival Queen 2017, Dana Lynn Swaby. Up next, a discussion on what makes Jamaica a special place to live.
But in broadcast, Dana, we
Go
soon
on,
come
no,
back.
no.
We soon come.
Come out, I see, no, no.
No, we have to go to bumper.